Your biological age starts here. Follow these steps carefully for accurate results. First, open your kit and locate your barcode. Enter your barcode and create a secure password. Take a quick photo of your barcode for your records. Place your collection card on a clean, dry surface. Wash your hands thoroughly with warm water and let them air dry completely. Warm your hands by rubbing them together or swinging your arms. This helps blood flow. It's important to position the collection card upright, folded like a tent, so it stands on its own. Once the circle is filled, let the card dry flat for at least 3 hours. Do not use heat. Follow the sample collection instructions included in your kit carefully. When fully dry, place the card into the clear biohazard bag. Drop it at any USPS mailbox, post office, or your own mailbox. Shipping is prepaid. That's it. Your results will be ready in 4 to 6 weeks.